Hello, everyone. Welcome to Financial Accounting. I am Professor Reeves, and I am going to be your instructor for this course. For those who may not be aware, we have switched from the Blackboard site to the Canvas website for our online courses. So once you're on the community college website, click where it says Current Students. That will take you to the section. You want to click here where it says Canvas. Click on the Canvas icon and click where it says to log into Canvas. It should be the same login you used to use for the Blackboard site. Once you're on the Canvas site, you will find our course, which is ACC 110. So I'll click on here and that will take us to our course. Let me go to the student view. Once you're on the Canvas side, if you click on the home menu, it will show you any announcements that are out there. So right now there's a welcome and greeting announcement I put out there that you should read the welcome and greeting announcement on the Blackboard on the Canvas, not Blackboard, on the Canvas site. Also under tabs, if you click on the syllabus, here you will find the course syllabus. I'm going to click on the course syllabus. The syllabus has information about this course under the section information. It has my contact information. It also includes communication expectation. You're required to log into the Canvas website a minimum of every 48 hours to see any new announcements that have been put on the Canvas site, as well as any new information posted to the Canvas site. I will communicate with you all via the announcement tab on the Canvas site. You will also be sent emails to your school issued email address. This course, financial accounting, the emphasis is on the measurement and presentation of financial data. We will focus on preparing different type of corporate financial statements, from the income statement to the balance sheet to the statement of cash flows, etc. Okay. Next, you have the course learning outcomes that you can read about for the class. The required course material. We are using the Financial Accounting Textbook by Kimmel and Wygant. It is the ninth edition. This is a Wiley Plus textbook. In addition, every student must have access to the Wiley Plus software. This is an online course, and all of our assignments will be administered through the Wiley Plus software. You can read about the required from a technical standpoint. This a class again is an online course administered using the internet. So all your quizzes, homework exams will all be administered on the Canvas site. And we have what's called a Canvas Wiley Plus integration. And I'll explain what that means in more details a little bit later. This is showing the evaluation procedures. You will be graded based upon the points earned on your exams, your computer project, your homework, your quizzes, and your class participation via the chapter discussions. So you will hear about those items throughout our semester. Attendance policy. This is an online course. Your attendance is predicated upon the completion of a mandatory assignment each week. So, for example, in week one, we're covering chapters one, two, and three. If for some reason you do not complete any required assignments during that first week, you will be marked as non attendance. If during the first 2 weeks of the semester you do not complete at least one required assignment, you may be withdrawn from the course from administrators for non-attendance. So make sure you complete at least one assignment, well, all the assignments, but at least one assignment is required to be completed during the first 2 weeks of the semester. There are other policies you should read about on the course syllabus. Then you have the course outline that shows the chapters we're going to cover each week of the semester. Now, this is a 6-week semester, so it's accelerated. So notice that in week 1, we are covering chapters 1, 2, and 3. And your first exam will take place during week 2 over chapters 1, 2, and 3. So we do have a pretty aggressive schedule. We are covering 12 chapters during a 6-week period. You will have a total of 4 exams during that 6-week period. So it is very important that you get off to a great start when it comes to completion of your assignments. Okay? Next, I'll click on the Modules tab. The Modules tab has a lot of information about the course, beginning with a welcome. There's a course introduction that tells you more about this course, and the video we're doing now will be posted to this course upon completion. There's information about me, your instructor. So this is my email address and my phone number. So you can contact me via email or by phone with any questions. There's a little information about my history in the industry and as your instructor. Next, the syllabus is also here again under the welcome module. The course outline is here as well, again showing the chapters we're going to cover each week, those dates, as well as the dates for your exams. How to access Wiley Plus. So there's a link on this site that would allow you to access the Wiley Plus site. You cannot go to Wiley Plus directly. This is a Canvas Wiley Plus integrated course, meaning you must log into Canvas first in order to access the Wiley Plus site. Okay? So when you first go to Wiley Plus, so for example, this assignment here would allow you to access the Wiley Plus site. When you click on the open button, it would take you to the Wiley Plus site. The first time on Wiley Plus, you'll be required to register, create a username, password, etc. And you have to either put in an access code if you have one, or you're required to purchase an access code. Now, if you're waiting for some type of funding, you can use the Wiley Plus site for a 14-day grace period free of charge. But every student must have access to the Wiley Plus site. In addition, under the Modules tab, the next section are resources offered by the community college, from resources for the library to the online writing center, policies about online learning. So just review some of those different policies and resources available by the community college. That will take us to our Chapter 1 module. Our Chapter 1 module. For Chapter 1, there is an introduction block that's all about you. You will answer these questions about yourself, and you will then respond to your peers in the class to get to know your classmate a little bit better. This assignment will also be used to verify your attendance, and in addition, listen to this, you get to earn 2 bonus points by completing the introduction block. Okay? You have chapter resources under the blog. So there's resources, there are video resources, there are Excel templates, there's additional PowerPoint, there are an additional set of exercises. So if you're doing the chapter 1 homework, but you're still not clear on how to create an income statement, a balance sheet, etc., there are additional exercises you can work on to help you better understand those concepts. There are also videos out here. I'll just go to one for a second. And they give you an actual walkthrough of these videos of how to complete the exercises that you'll see for homework for the chapter one. Okay? So be sure to take advantage of the resources you're going to find under each of these chapter modules. In addition, I've created video lectures for every chapter. So you'll see these under each of those chapters. You also have chapter lectures in the form of a PowerPoint presentation that's out there for each chapter as well. Okay? That will take us to our chapter one homework. So once again, you will come to the Canvas site and you will click on the chapter one homework, and this will take you to the Wiley Plus site to complete your chapter one homework. You also have a chapter one quiz as well, and that's the same setup. So under the modules tab, go to the modules tab. It will show you the assignments due for each chapter along with the due date. So remember that in week one, we are covering chapters one, chapter two, and chapter three. Okay? So this is just a quick overview of how to navigate through the Canvas site. If you have any questions, again, you can reach out to me when you click on the modules tab and you go to the about your instructor. Here again, you can find my contact information. So again, feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you have pertaining to the course. Okay, so let's get ready for an exciting semester. School begins on Monday, and let's make sure we prepare for the start of school on Monday. Okay, have a great day.